Imagine the taste of a crispy, golden brown calamari, lightly seasoned and served with a tangy aioli dip. Welcome to a culinary journey of bite-sized delights. Appetizers, those tantalizing starters that set the tone for a meal, are more than just the first course. They whet the appetite, teasing your taste buds with a promise of what's to come. As we embark on this gastronomic adventure, we'll be exploring a myriad of flavors, textures, and culinary creativity. Get ready to unveil the top 10 mini appetizers for your next feast. Kickstarting the list with our first mini appetizer, the timeless classic, bruschetta. This Italian gem, boasting ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil atop a crispy, toasted baguette, is a symphony of flavors in every bite. Next up, we have the mini tacos. These pint-sized treats are a fiesta in your mouth. With seasoned meat, zesty salsa, creamy cheese, and a crunchy shell, they pack all the excitement of their full-size counterparts into a single mouthful. Third on our list is the chicken satay. Grilled to perfection, these skewered chicken pieces, marinated in a medley of spices, are served with a delectable peanut sauce that will have you reaching for more. Moving on to the shrimp cocktail. These succulent prawns, chilled and served with a tangy cocktail sauce, provide a refreshing and tasteful delight that's hard to resist. Next, let's delve into the world of deviled eggs. These halved, hard-boiled eggs filled with a creamy yolk mixture are a delectable treat that will have your taste buds dancing with delight. On the sixth spot, we have caprese skewers. These skewers, featuring juicy cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella and basil leaves drizzled with balsamic glaze, offer a burst of Italian flavor in every bite. Number 7 brings us to mini quiches. These bite-sized pastries, filled with a savory mixture of eggs, cheese and various fillings, are a versatile and satisfying option for any occasion. For the 8th spot, we present the stuffed mushrooms. These tender mushroom caps, filled with a savory stuffing, offer a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor that will leave you craving for more. 9th on our list is the spinach and artichoke dip. This creamy, cheesy dip, loaded with spinach and artichokes, served with crispy bread or crackers, is a crowd pleaser that's sure to impress. Finally, we conclude with mini sliders. These mini burgers, packed with juicy beef, melted cheese, and a tangy sauce, all nestled between 2 soft buns, offer a full-sized flavor in a bite-sized package. And there you have it, a list of 10 mini appetizers that will surely elevate your next culinary experience. Feeling hungry yet? We bet you can't wait to try these mini appetizers at your next gathering. From the savory to the sweet, these bite-sized delights can transform any meal into a gourmet feast. Remember, the world of appetizers is vast and thrilling, ready to turn your ordinary dinner into an extraordinary experience. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. For more food inspiration and culinary delights, check out our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and share the love of food with your friends and family. Until next time, stay foodie.